Hello crafters and paper artisans, it is Chandra with Stocked and Stuff. These Krafty Peepz Patreon group, Happy Meal Swap, and we were charged with making a Happy Meal, and we made the box by hand from a video that was all in Spanish, and so I'm really proud of myself because I do not speak Spanish. And here is my box. My swap partner and I decided on a lemon theme. I had this beautiful lemon paper in my stash. I love the gold flecks of the foil. And so here is my box. And I did, I kept it simple because, you know, I don't do a lot of, I struggle with the layering and all of the, you know, really heavy embellishments. Although I love it, I just struggle making it happen. So I used one of my banner dies. I chose the circle one, so it's, you know, more like a lemon. This is a die, Be Happy. And then I had this pom-pom trim, which actually was like wired ribbon. So that was perfect because it kind of laid down in there and just put some bling on the top. And then this side I did smile, and same thing. And then I did stick a piece of Velcro on the handle, and we had to make a hamburger box, decorated a fry box, and the hamburger box had to have 3 circle embellishments, a fry box that had, you know, some longer pieces to be fry-like. And we had to do some type of drink and then include a drink that our swap partner will like. And so here's what I have inside. So I did a mini milk carton, and I used some embossed lemon paper that I had in my summer box. And I think this is a Posh Paper related design. I struggled with it because I was putting these drink mix lemonade and iced tea in there, and they were just a little longer than I needed them to be. And then this is my fry box, and it says, "When life hands you lemons," and I put a little lemon on the branch there, and I did a rosette and my pinwheel and some different lemon papers. And then I made some kind of replicas of fries, and so 2 of them are empty because they go with that. And then one has a shaker mix in it, and one has candy in it, lemon candy. And then I added a shaker at the top. So when life hands you lemons, make lemonade. And so there's my box covered. I did a belly band around it. I did tags, shine for the shaker bits, and yum for the candy. And I would have had these inside, but then they didn't quite fit in my box. So, but that's how my fry box would be. And then I did a hamburger box. This is a Creative Fabrica SVG, and it cut all in one piece, and you just had to put it together. And I did some pom-pom trim that I just picked up at Dollar Tree. I had this metallic streamer paper, and it was hard to work with, so I didn't do a whole rosette, so I did like a little fan. And I had these acrylic pieces in my stash, so hello. And then inside we were to add 4 embellished circles. So I did a layering of the shaker lemon. This is one of those wooden pieces from Dollar Tree, and I just used my alcohol markers and some Wink Stella. I had this kind of webby green ribbon in my stash, and I just cut some circles. I was gonna put a sentiment on it, but I figured I'd let the recipient do that. And then I used that paper, and I actually cut a rosette and layered and added joy on that one and some bling. This is actually the foam piece is from the inside of the shaker, and I added a piece of I cut the lemon again with a piece of cardstock and the leaves. And then I just, inside the box, I just, used some more of my cutouts that I had already from the shaker leftovers, and just made it, put something inside the box. And then we're to add some goodies. So my scrap chick has a new SVG with fruit. Well, I don't know if it's new, but I was looking for lemons in all of my websites. And so I found this little lemon slice box, and I put it together, and I purposely did different shades of yellow because, I just wanted to feel authentic, like a lemon. And then I did, I did the ink on the lemon slices just to give it a little bit of texture. And then I filled it with all different kinds of lemon candy. We have this store called Horrocks, and it's kind of like an indoor farmer's market, and they had all kinds of things. Then I bought this Burt's Bees set, and I just cut it in a circle tag, added a ribbon, the zip on the back. I may add a little bit of one of these lemon embellishments. It just feels a little like it's missing something there, but I did put the glitter trim. And it was a set, and and I did it because I bought this one because it's dragon fruit lemon lip balm. And then it also came with the cuticle, the lemon butter cuticle, what do you call it? Cuticle cream. And I made a little box with my punch board and did a wrap. And then it's Easter time, and my partner says she likes all kinds of candy. So I gave her some hard candy, some taffies, and then I gave her these lemon crisp Kit Kats. I'm not a Kit Kat eater, but I was trying to stay true to the theme, so hopefully she will enjoy them. And then I also use my embossing paper to make a 3x3 card for her. And then I just used it on the inside, added a little bling. And I love swapping with you stamp that I use a lot when I'm swapping with people. So I hope I got everything done. I also bought her, I almost forgot that I had these lemon socks. And so I got those as well. And I'll probably just package them in just a little bag in my stash. And just add them as an extra goodie. So I want to say thanks for watching. And check out the other Happy Mail boxes and see how they turned out and what they made. And I hope my swap partner enjoys her box. Thanks for watching.